Welcome to Vskills YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about the top interview questions for Dreamweaver. So, let's get started. Question number 1. What is Dreamweaver? The answer is Dreamweaver is a web development tool. Developed by Adobe Systems, Dreamweaver is a proprietary web development tool first created by Macromedia in 1997. Dreamweaver helps developers build websites for the internet or an intranet, letting developers design, code and manage websites as well as mobile content. Question number 2. What do you mean by Dreamweaver user interface? The answer is the Dreamweaver user interface includes the Insert menu, Main menu, Document menu, and Work area, with all the panels, Properties Inspector, and windows we view on opening the application. Question number 3. What are the characteristics of Dreamweaver? The answer is the characteristics of Dreamweaver are: first, fast and flexible coding. Creating, coding, and maintaining websites become very simple due to the simplified coding engine. Second, setup to site up in some steps. It becomes very easy to set up a website, and starter templates can be run very fast. Templates can be customized for email, about pages, blogs, e-commerce pages, newsletters, and portfolios. Third, dynamic display on every device. Using Adobe Dreamweaver, responsive websites can build that can be fit into any screen size. Question number 4. How we can make a template in the Dreamweaver? The answer is make sure that our web page is as usual with the structure of the site. Once the structure is made, we have to go to File and tap on Save as a template, specify a name to the template, and snap on Save. The template will be stored in various layouts for several sections of our site. Now we can make parts of the template editable so that we can add content and add information to it. Question number 5. What are the several types of modes in the Dreamweaver? The answer is Dreamweaver has 3 separate view modes. First, Code. The mode of Dreamweaver which allows you to code for the website. Second, Live and Design. The mode of Dreamweaver which allows you to see the live changes made and to see how the website has come. Third, Split. The mode of Dreamweaver which has a split screen that enables you to see the changes made and how the website is coming in the top portion. The bottom portion is for coding. Question number 6. What is the document window? The answer is the document window is the region where all pages are designed and shapes can be placed. During both the editing and play methods, the document window consists of 2 different panels vertically arranged, with the upper large console being the area for the currently displayed page. Question number 7. How do you make layers in Dreamweaver? The answer is to create a layer, choose the Layout category in the Insert bar at the top of the Work area and click the Draw Layer icon. Now place your cursor anywhere on your page and click and drag to create the layer. To move a layer, click to select the layer, and then click on the box at the top left corner and drag. Question number 8. Can we use the Dreamweaver without coding? The answer is we won't require any coding abilities to get commenced, just the capacity to understand the basics of what we are doing. But, if we want to build a site with a lot of extra features, then we will require a basic familiarity and level of comfort with code to help us get there. Question number 9. How to utilize Dreamweaver behaviors to play sound? The answer is for the sound to be played, we should click or roll over. The first step is to make a link. With the hash symbol, we can build a simple text link. The next step is to attach behavior to the link. Open the Behaviors board by tapping on Behaviors or Windows and click on the plus figure in the Behaviors panel. Then snap on Play Sound. Browse to find the sound we want to play and then click OK. Question number 10. How do we modify the layout in the Dreamweaver? The answer is every layout emphasizes panels, toolbars, and characteristics in configurations that Dreamweaver has managed to be effective and efficient. If we want to modify the layout, we can do so by going to the window in the menu bar, then selecting the workspace layout. Question number 11. How does Validator work in Dreamweaver? The answer is the Validator in Dreamweaver operates similarly to a word processor spelling and grammar check highlights. The Validator practices a selection of code archives and browses all the code on the web page to recognize problems with code tags. Question number 12. What is the DOM panel in the Dreamweaver? The answer is the DOM panel provides an interactive HTML tree for dynamic and static content. This view assists us in visually map components in live view with the HTML markup and the concerned selectors in the CSS designer. We can also do edits to the HTML construction in the DOM panel and see the modifications take effect instantly in the live view. Question number 13. Does Dreamweaver support PHP? The answer is Dreamweaver maintains PHP versions 5.6 and 7.1. We can decide to compile our site's PHP files with a PHP version 5.6 or 7.1 utilizing the Site Setup dialog box, or Application Preferences. Question number 14. How Dreamweaver is distinct from HTML? The answer is Dreamweaver is software, and HTML or CSS are programming languages. HTML is the central core design of the web page and CSS can be conceived of as the interior designer of that skeletal structure. Dreamweaver incorporates a CSS editor and an HTML editor as a united development environment. Question number 15. What is behavior in Dreamweaver? The answer is a behavior is a combination of an event with an action triggered by that event. Dreamweaver behaviors place JavaScript code in documents to allow visitors to interact with a web page to change the page in various ways, or to cause certain tasks to be performed. Question number 16. Does Dreamweaver support Python? The answer is no. It gives no benefits over a conventional IDE or a text editor with syntax highlighting like Sublime Text 2. It is outdated and bloated. If we want to do web improvement, there are no benefits either, since Python will provide a template, but we will draft those templates in Python. Question number 17. How to create a mail-to form in Dreamweaver? The answer is, to create a mail-to form in Dreamweaver, switch to the Forms tab on the Insert bar, and click on Forms. To set the form properties, click on the Form box. Choose the fields you want from the Form tab on the Insert bar. To add the Submit button, click the button icon and set the action to Submit Form. And save the file. Then, upload the file to your web server and test it. Question number 18. What are the benefits of Dreamweaver? The answer is, some of the benefits of Dreamweaver are: first, ease and effectiveness of use. Second, the capacity to create consistent-looking web pages. Third, maintaining and updating websites completely. Fourth, easy to upload using FTP. Fifth, customizable software. Question number 19. How do we indent a paragraph in HTML? The answer is any extra lines of text in the paragraph are not ordered. We can indent using a percentage. For instance, rather than indenting by 40 pixels, we could replace the indent with 5% to indent text by 5% of the modern view. We can also practice an M-space when determining the width of an indent. Question number 20. How do we make a paragraph in Dreamweaver? The answer is Dreamweaver works likewise to various word processing applications. We press Enter or Return to make a new paragraph. Web browsers automatically include a blank line of space among paragraphs. We can add a single line of space among paragraphs by including a line break. Question number 21. How do we indent on Dreamweaver? The answer is set the insertion point in the paragraph we want to indent. Select Format, Indent or Outdent, or select List, Indent or Outdent from the context menu. Question number 22. Is Dreamweaver a text editor? The answer is Dreamweaver is a proprietary web development tool. It gives us easier, faster ways to create and advertise websites and web applications that look good on any size screen. Adobe Dreamweaver and Sublime Text can be described as text editor tools. Question number 23. How do we change the color of the text in Dreamweaver? The answer is to modify the font settings, text color, background color, and page borders for an entire page. Choose Modify Page Properties. The Appearance category of the Page Properties dialog box appears. In the Page Font drop-down list, define the fonts we want for the text on our page. Question number 24. How can we bold the font style in Dreamweaver? The answer is move the pointer to the mini toolbar above the selection and click Bold. Click Bold in the Font group on the Home tab. Type the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+B. Question number 25. What are the reasons for establishing a local site in Dreamweaver? The answer is, the reasons for establishing a local site in Dreamweaver are to allow Dreamweaver to make relative links among documents, to facilitate Dreamweaver to display all our site's files in the Files panel, to allow Dreamweaver to manage link checking between documents. Question number 26. How to make a colored box in Dreamweaver CS5? The answer is To make a colored box in Dreamweaver CS5, click HTML in the Create New section. Click the Design button to switch to the Design view. Open the Insert menu, select Layout Objects and click Div Tag. Click the New CSS Rule button. Type an identifying name color red box. Click Box in the left-hand column of the window that opens. Type the desired dimensions for the colored box into the width and height fields. Click Background in the left-hand column. Click the Background color box. Click the color that you want to use for the box. Click OK, then OK again. Dreamweaver creates a colored box inside the document. Question number 27. What is the Insert panel in Dreamweaver? The answer is, the Insert panel contains buttons for creating and inserting objects such as tables and images. The buttons are organized into categories. Question number 28. How to insert an unordered list into your web page? The answer is, to insert an unordered list into your web page. Start Dreamweaver and open the web page where you want to insert the unordered list. Click the Format, List, Unordered List menu item. A bullet point, a round black dot, will appear, and you can type your first item of the list. Question number 29. What is Spry in Dreamweaver? The answer is, Dreamweaver gives us passage to widgets. These widgets are known as the Spry framework for Ajax. The Spry structure for Ajax is a JavaScript archive that we can utilize to supplement interactive characteristics, such as collapsible, drop-down menus, tabbed panels, and design validation characteristics. We will find Spry in the Insert panel. Question number 30. What is a Spry menu bar and what are the benefits of it? The answer is, the Spry menu bar is a widget that makes a navigation menu utilizing nested lists. Menu bars allow for a number of menu options to be obtained from a clean, uncluttered main menu. The interactivity they give when a visitor hangs the mouse pointer over a menu option supplements a dynamic element to the web page. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.